Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
This drive starts at Trent University in Peterborough, Ontario, and follows Nassau Mills Road toward Lakefield. The road winds through a scenic area filled with natural beauty and historical significance. Trent University is known for its stunning campus along the Otonabee River, featuring unique architecture that blends into the natural surroundings. As the drive begins, the views of the river and lush greenery immediately stand out, showcasing the peaceful atmosphere of the region. Nassau Mills Road passes over several bridges that cross the Otonabee River, offering beautiful views of the water. The area is part of the Trent-Severn Waterway, a historic canal system that stretches 386 kilometers and connects Lake Ontario to Georgian Bay. This waterway played an important role in the development of the region, and it remains a popular spot for boating, fishing, and exploring. Further along, the road travels through a mix of forested areas, farmland, and open spaces, providing a look at the diverse landscape that makes this part of Ontario so special. Along the way, there are glimpses of small historical features, like old mill sites, which reflect the area's industrial past. The nearby Nassau Mills Dam is a reminder of the area's connection to water-powered industry, which helped shape the local economy in earlier times. As the drive approaches Lakefield, the scenery opens up to more rolling fields and quiet countryside. This stretch of road captures the essence of the Peterborough area, peaceful, full of history, and surrounded by nature. It's an enjoyable journey that highlights the connection between the land, the water, and the community.